Yo, what's going on, guys? My name is DGen Philly, and I'm back with the daily DGen update on this beautiful Saturday evening. All right, guys, I know I've been away for a while, but life has just hit me pretty hard. To make a long story short, I've been having to work a lot of hours at my job, over 60 hours a week, plus a lot of traveling. So it's been tough to make these videos, only having a couple hours to myself each night. But that just gets me into what the reason why I am so um, adamant about investing and believing in cryptocurrency. Hey, my story is pretty simple. I got a pretty decent job, but it's very hard on me, and I got to work a lot of hours just to pay the bills and to provide for my family. Okay, um, so crypto is kind of like a dream that one day I'll be able to spend that time with them, and crypto will help me make that money um, to provide for them and to be able to enjoy life. All right. So we're gonna have a little market update, and I know that the market's been in somewhat of a downtrend here, but guys, I wouldn't be too worried. It's just par for the course. Okay. Um, you got to think about it, right? We got the Ethereum ETF launching, and we got financial institutions like BlackRock that are launching those ETFs. What happened when the Bitcoin ETFs launch is, all the crypto native people, we ran the price up on them. You know what I mean? We were pumping Bitcoin for the whole time, and they had to buy in at a higher rate. So I really think right now that you got institutions like BlackRock that are just manipulating the price of Bitcoin and ETH to keep it low so they can buy in cheaper. Um, every bull market, um, you get these big these big dips and these long shakeouts, but eventually we're going to get to that euphoric part of the market. You know, markets always move in waves. So it's important to realize that, we can't just go up in a straight line. And the time to sell your bags is not when things are going down, okay? Um, one rule that I really try to live by is like, um, when it feels uncomfortable to buy, that's probably the best time to buy. And when it feels uncomfortable to sell, that's probably your best time to sell. Okay, when you think it's going to continue to go up forever and ever, that's probably a sign to you that the end is near or nearing. Okay, the markets can remain uh, unrational, unrational longer than you can remain solvent. Now that's a saying that pretty much means that uh, it doesn't matter if it makes sense or not. The markets can be totally unrational. So we're gonna take a look at the markets. I've noticed some trends that may be starting that might help you guys get on the meta a little bit earlier. So we've seen the Solana and the memes kind of phase out. I do think memes will have another run, and if you believe in memes, it's probably time to start loading up a little bit on them. But I think that we got two areas where we're gonna actually put our focus. Some of these lesser known layer one chains, I think, are going to be your best bet. So right now, I'm seeing a lot of social buzz around ADA, Cardano. I've been super critical of Cardano in the past, but I would say that my um, all my criticisms were actually warranted. They don't deliver quickly. They promise you a whole lot and then deliver a lot less. Um, but we're finally seeing like activity on Cardano, and I'm seeing a lot on Twitter So I think that it'll be nice to check it out, and maybe get involved in this meta before it takes off. Okay, they just recently had 100x meme coin, and everything's not super controlled and manipulated by KOLs yet, like they are on other chains. So let's try to jump on that meta. I just made a wallet, and I'm going to start messing around with it. I'll probably have some videos coming up soon. Um, Another area where I think that we can take a look is Caspa. Okay, Caspa is absolutely going to fly this bull market because it actually really it really belongs in that top 4 or 5 area, and I think right now it's around 25. This is a proof of work chain. Um, the smart contracts are launching soon, and we're going to see all kinds of activity. I think it's a very slept on ecosystem in coin, and I think that we're going to see huge returns from there. Another one that we can take a look at is Radix. Okay, Radix is another blooming ecosystem. Um, but let's talk about the market. So far, these are the trending coins. Um, Man, it hurts me to see AVAX down so bad. I really do enjoy the AVAX ecosystem. Um, but we got Ethereum holding up. We got ADA, Caspa. DOT is another one. There's some interesting things going on with the DOT ecosystem and some incentives. Particularly with the hydration decks. I'm probably going to make a video on that soon because it's super interesting. Okay. They're really, it's some pretty high incentives there. So, other than that, um, let's get into some news. Okay. So, recently, we had 2 very large airdrops. And if you had been in the Discord group or following me for a while, I would have told you about these. Okay. Um, so this is ZK Sync. Look, it's down pretty bad. I mean, I cheated my whole bag, but I got a lot of free coins. Okay. Here's another airdrop that you would have got. Let's see. ZRO. All right. So we're up 8.8% today on ZRO. We are down 30% overall. If we can buy this in lower, that would actually be a good buy because right now you are literally buying for less than the VCs bought. Um, we might still see more downward action as maybe some people weren't able to jeet their airdrop yet, but I think overall this would be another good one to look at. This homepage actually here has some very interesting tokens on here that you know that are all, I think, pretty good investments if you ask me. One thing that I'm going to start loading up on. Well, I'm gonna get a little bit of ADA just to try out and see what all the buzz is about. And this is more of an experiment. I already own a little bit of DOT. Okay, Caspa is going to be another big buy for me that I'm going to ape into. I'm looking at Jupiter, Jupe, especially right now, because at 78 cents, I think this is a huge, huge discount. Okay, and, but yeah, other than that, that's it. Bye. Sorry for the brief interruption, guys, but I forgot to say, listen, guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be bringing you some hidden DeFi gems that you're not gonna see anywhere else. Um, I'm gonna be bringing you some meme coins that you don't see anywhere else, and I'm gonna give you unbiased reviews of ecosystems. Let's take a look. This is one of my picks that I gave out in the Discord a few months ago, and look at that chart. The chart looks beautiful. I really wish that I had bought more. This thing is absolutely flying. Oh my god. Look at that. All right, guys, but This is no financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. If you need financial advice, don't seek it from me because I'm a dude on the internet who calls himself DGen Philly, and I don't think that's a good idea. All right. With that, I'm out. I'm gonna make videos more often. See you guys. Peace.